My name is Darren Funk. I'm with Slayden Construction. I'm a project manager and manager of the Heavy Civil and Marine Division. I've been with Slayden Construction for 6 years. Basically have, three major divisions. The biggest division of our company is Water and Wastewater Division, which is the backbone of our company. About 6 years ago, we started into the Traffic and Transportation Division, building bridges and doing highway work, and then I do the heavy civil marine type of work on dams and hydro facilities. We did the A Canal in the heavy civil side. Before I worked for Slayden, they did the A Canal, which was started their mission into the heavy civil market. We also did Chiloquin Dam removal. We did Savage Rapids Dam removal, and then we did the Gold Ray and Gold Hill Dam removals also. The Gold Ray Dam project was, we were in a pretty good position as we'd done several dam removals already in the state of Oregon. It was a design-build contract that we were required to go get all the permits for the project. We'd already done Savage Rapids Dam removal, which was one of the larger dam removals that had been performed in the U.S. for the Bureau of Reclamation. It was a $27 million construction project. So we were in a pretty good position. We'd already removed 2 dams on the Rogue River prior to turning in a request for proposal to Jackson County to do the work for the Gold Ray Dam removal project. And it was a very unique project that we had to do a lot of legwork and get the thing turned around pretty fast because it was based on stimulus money from the federal government in order to perform the work. We had to turn the permits within a year, and that was a very tough schedule and a tough piece of work to perform. First of all, we had to determine the sequence and the methods that we were going to use to cofferdam and isolate the removals and how that work was going to be performed, to acquire the permits and have the process in mind prior to getting the permits, and then stay within the boundaries of the permits and deal with all the different agencies, including the fisheries and the environmental issues, to perform the work. Access was a very tough part of that project, and we found a way through the process to negotiate with the railroad to eliminate a lot of disturbance on the left bank of the river, and we utilized rail cars for the accessing the project and bringing materials in and out, and it turned out to be a huge benefit to us and to the public because we cut down a significant amount of traffic on the existing roadway systems. So we built our temporary cofferdams to isolate, and we opened up one side of the river and removed half the dam, and then moved the river into that portion of it, and then we built another cofferdamming system. The unique part of Gold Ray was the fact that there wasn't just one dam to remove, there was 2. The original timber cribbed one was upstream, the downstream was a structural concrete dam that required removal. So we had a lot of unknowns. They were very old structures. The informational drawings were sketchy at best. The designs had changed from what they actually constructed. There was a lot of old structures there, and a lot of unknowns, a lot of variables. And we found a way to progress through it and get it done, even with several legal issues that held the job up. And we worked together with all the agencies and the owner to have a pretty successful project. One of the hugest parts about the project is when we were done with the project, they weren't just agency people that we got to work with. We built friendships and relationships with each other. It was tough to get through some of the legal issues that we have, and we all relied on each other a lot to get through it. And the trust and respect that we gained for each other was a big part of what got us where we're at.